Assalamu alaikum everyone, it's me Abdul Hannan. Hope all of you are doing well. So let's start the video. In this video we are covering all the element. So let's start. So first is the navigation menu. You can add this in the top of your funnel. So let's see the setting of this. In the navigation menu you can add the page link from here and select, go to the website URL, go to the next step and the open pop-up. You can add the name here and the URL here and just here and just select this submit. And the next you have about, and you can also select the more item from here, like add item. You can select new menu or the mega menu. You can select new menu and the name is service services and submit. So this is also add. Okay, so if you want to make the sub menu, so go to the three burger icons and click and drag it to the main. So now the contact is a main menu and the sub menu is a service. Okay, so if you want to remove, just remove and click here. I think you need to delete. Okay, and you can add new menu here. So the next is, if you want the business name, so here is the business name. If you want to remove, you can remove it. Or this is the logo. If you want to remove the logo, you can remove it from here and add your own business logo by adding the image URL here. Okay, so you can add the width. If you select it to 100, you can select the logo width and the brand logo or text. When the page doesn't load your image or the logo, so this will appear, this text will appear. Okay, so the next is the image action. You want to open any page when someone click on the image, so you can add the image action from here. Next is typography. You can select the font as you want or the funnel font you are using throughout the funnel from here, and the font size and the font weight and the line height and the text transform and also the icon. Next is the padding, the alignment, and next is the spacing between the menu. And so here is a color. You can select the background color like this and the mobile background color like this. So on mobile you can see the color. Okay, so the pop-up background color and the mobile background pop-up color, and this is the color of the content. Like if you can select this and the hover background color, I think if so when someone hover on it, so background color is changed. So the next is, okay, so the hover background color is black. We can change it from here. So look, hover background color is changed. You can also select the bold text color, hover text color, italic text color, underline text color and the icon color from here. Or there are multiple options to adjust the color. You can go through and check each color option from here. And there is a thickness option for the border and the border color and the corner radius. You can select the border style like dash or the dot. You can select the alignment from here of the business name alignment, you can see. And the next is the mobile and the desktop visibility. Next is the custom class section and the CSS selector name. This is a part of the code section we can cover when we are working on the coding section of the funnel builder. So yeah, that's it. That's all about the navigation menu. Next we have the divider. So this is a divider. You can add in between the two elements. When you are adding two elements and you want to add the divider between upside and down, so you can use this by adjust the color like this and this right. If you can decrease the space, so this is the align, here is the left, here is the center. You can select the width and the height of the line by here, and the solid you want dash, you want dotted, so it's depend on your funnel design. Okay, so the next is the margin. You can select the margin padding from here and the width and the visibility from here. So yeah, that's it about the divider. And the next is progress bar. So this is the progress bar you can add on your funnel, like 2 days remaining on finishing the offer, and the 3 days remaining on this offer. You want to select the percentage from here, like 80%, 60%, and you want to add the color, the black, and the black. Okay, so you can select the font from here, like Roboto, and also change the text, like grab the offer. Okay, so the next is textile bold, bold and italic, and the italic and the normal. Okay, so from here you can select the border, the bottom border, or the full border, no border, full border. And you can also select the border style, like dashed on the dotted or the solid, and the border width from here, and the border color like this. And the next is want to allow the radius on the all the edges, on the bottom edges. I think all the edges is good. So this is alignment of for the text. You can set the alignment, and here is the box shadow. You can select the box shadow from here, as we are working in the previous. Okay, so I think we need to add some bottom border to look the changes. Okay, so you can see the shadow is added, and you can also add some interesting progress bar from this. We are also covered this in our earlier videos. So this is how it looks cool if you're using this rather than this. So I think this is good to go for the funnel use. Okay, so the next is okay, so the next is image feature. So in this we have image, title, and the text. So basically you can add the image of the product here, image title, and sorry, product title, and the product description. So you can also adjust it from here, and the option is like the image option. You, when someone click on the image, which action should need to be performed, you can select it from here. And also you can add the image URL from here, and the width and the height and the image, you all text for the SEO. And this is the content font. You can select the font of the content from here, like we can select this one. Yeah, this look good. And the headline font size, text font size, and I think we need to decrease the size. And the next you can select the weight of the font, and the next you can select the text font weight and the line height. We need to select the pixel. Yeah, so you can select the line height from here, and this is the letter spacing. You can select and add the spacing from here. I think 1 pixel is good to go. And this is a column size. You can select text 80%, then image 20%, and then text 70%, image 30%. This is mostly used, and you can also used according to your design, 60%, 60-40, and the 50-50. So this is good to go. And you want image text or the text image, you can select it from here. And yeah, headline color, this is the headline. Text color, this is the text color. Background color, so here is the background color. Okay, so the next is a link text color. So you can also add the link text color from here. And the next is the icon. If you want to add the icon like this, so you can also add the icon. And in the style option, you can select the feature image border. If you want to add the border for the feature image, this is the feature image, so you can add the border, the rounded corner, and the circle. You can select the circle also. Image shadow, if you want to add the shadow from here, you can add the color, full color, or the black and white. You can also select the black and white, and the alignment of the text from here, and also the text shadow from here. Okay, so yeah, this is the text shadow option. And next you have padding. So you can select and increase or decrease the padding from here. Also the margin, you can select and increase the margin from here. Margin is outside, padding is inside. So the finally is visibility for the mobile and the desktop preview. You can select it from here. Next is the custom class option and the CSS selector. So yeah, that's it. That's all about the image feature section. So the next is social icon. So this is most importantly used in the funnel, and we can add this in the footer of the funnel or the website. So first you have to come to the style. You can see all the style function are same. with the other elements. Okay, so we have Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter. If you want to add social, you can add the link like Google business website, Pinterest. You can add, then you need to add the link of your page, like you want to add the Pinterest or Google My Business or a LinkedIn. Then you have to paste the link of your page. You want to open the current window or the new window and add it. Okay, so the next is display type. We can select icon text and just the icon or the text. So just the icon is good to go. You can select the alignment from here and I think it's good to go. And the icon size you can select to the 70. And the next is the font family and the font weight. If you are select icon and text, so you can see the font weight from here. And next the style, we can also cover this. But in the earlier video, we had discussed some interesting social media icons like this. Like, look, this is most beautiful rather than this. So you can use this for the website to make the design more attracting. Okay. So the next is two-step order form. So two-step order form is like that you are selling the product on your funnel, and this form is used to sell the product. Okay, so like you are sell the any product on your funnel, so you have to add the form. So this is basically the two-step order form. On the first step, we will get the details of the user, their name, their email, their shipping address, and then in the next step we will get their bank details and the payment details. Okay, so you can see all the options. Okay, so the in the setting option, you can check it. Okay, so the name is two-step order form. You can select the form. Okay, so sticky contact is you want to save the information of the leads, and the new contact on the every purchase, and the validate the disposal of email. You can enable or disable it. And the next is the sales action. You want to go to the website URL or the next step. So you can go to the next step. So we have two options: step 1, step 2. So look the step 1. In the step 1 we have shipping, like we can enter details. So you can also please enter the name, like you can add according to your design and the checkout page. So you can add the company name. If you want to remove it and add some or some other name, so you can also add it, and the full name and the full name validation. Okay, so the next is full name validation, and the next is the email address. You want to show the phone number or hide the phone number, so you can select here. And the show, if you want to show the shipping or hide the shipping address, so here it is shipping address. So if you are selling the physical product, so you have to allow this to get the details of the lead, or this, if there is a digital product, you need to hide it. Okay, so you can also select the button text, go to the next step. You can edit it from here, and in the footer you can also, we respect your privacy, we secure your details, so you can add it over like this. So the next is enable cart mode. You can enable the cart mode, like the user can add your product in the cart, product description in the show in the next step, and the pricing information enable disable. And the bump order mean that bump order is something like that you want to add, like someone buy A, then you offer them to buy the product B. So we also covered the bump product in the upcoming videos. For now, I think this is more than enough. So the next is enable coupon code. So coupon code is like that you are running the offer, and you are offered the public to enter the coupon and get the 20 or the 30% detail. And coupon is like a code, like sale 50, so get the 50% discount. Okay, so enable terms and condition. Okay, so you can also add the terms and condition detail in the in this box. Okay, so the next is a button color. You can adjust the button color from here, and the button text color from here. And the next is input background color, like this is the input background color, I think it's white. And the next you can select the background color. Oh no, I think it's white is good to go. Next is style, like you want to show extra small, medium, and large, and then extra large. I think flat is good, and the small is good, extra small is good. Okay, so the next is the text align. You can align the text middle align, right, left, in the center, justify. I think justify is good to go. You can select the width and the height, the visibility on the mobile, on the desktop. And next is a custom class. You can add the custom class here if you want to add more section, add some animation, add some custom section, and also the css select. And also the next is the css selector that is used to add the css effect. You just need to copy the class and add in the css code, then the effect or the animation will apply. Okay, so this is all about the two-step order. Oh, I think we can skip one thing. So in this we have step 2. On the step 2 we have the product detail, item name, item price, and the card information of the lead. So you can also update each and everything from here. And the complete order, this is the button complete order. You can enable the postal code, disable, you can enable the card, you can also enable the coupon code like this. Lead need to enter the coupon code here. If you want to disable, you can turn off this toggle, enable terms and condition. Here is the terms and condition, and the next is the button color. This is the button background color, and this is the button text color, and the input background color is white, is good to go. Next is the style. All the style element is similar according to the step 1. So yeah, that's it for the two-step order form. So the next is one-step order form. So there is a difference between one-step order form is this. In two-step order form we have two step. In the first step, user need to enter their details like name, email, phone number, and sometimes shipping if you are selling the physical product. And in the one-step order, the lead didn't need to go to the next step. All the details, all the input field are present on the first step. So this is the difference between the first step and the two-step order form, and all the function are similar in both. Okay, so we don't need to go through this again. And the next is order confirmation. So this is the order confirmation element. This is mostly add in the thank you page, because when someone buy the product and they will go to the thank you, like thank you for purchasing, thank you for scheduling, and this will appear in the description like the dynamic item, and this will automatically populate the detail, all the details for the product detail, product price, product description. If you each set each and everything in our previous step, from there, from where lead can buy the product. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. If you like the video, subscribe the channel, or if you need any assistance or any question or any query related to the element, you can ask in the comment. I hope I will respond to the each comment. And कभी भी एक दफ़ा करने से कोई चीज़ नहीं होती, आपको बार बार चीज़ें करनी चाहिए और प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए, उसके बाद वो चीज़ हो जाती है। तो ये कभी भी आपको एक दफ़ा करने पे नहीं आएगा। उम्मीद है आप इसको बार बार देखेंगे और प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, ताकि आप चीज़ों से फेमिलियर हों और आपकी फ़नल बिल्डिंग में बेहतरी आए। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।